I'm Jordan from Pianote, and I'm here to teach you how to improvise in some weird keys you probably haven't thought of before, and show you a new way to look at the piano that makes improvising in weird keys with a lot of black notes a lot more simple. So first things first, I'm going to show you my favorite key to improvise in, and believe it or not, this is E flat minor. So here's the scale for it. So I have all the black notes available to me with this key. And part of the reason why this scale is so valuable as an improviser is because if you play just only the black notes up from the E flat to the octave up higher, you're just naturally playing the pentatonic scale, which is a great early tool of a scale for improvisation. So you can just use the black notes and only the black notes. And then my other mentality that I use to add some other color tones that work within that pentatonic scale, and how I just visualize the minor E flat scale, is I think to myself, I'm playing all the black keys, and my only two white keys that I have to play are F and B. So I have black key, I have my F, black, 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 and I got B, and then I got another black key, and then my high black key up there. So that's a really easy way to visualize E flat minor in a new way that makes it a lot more intuitive to play, because now you're not thinking about, oh, I have all these crazy amounts of flats to keep track of. I just got the two white keys to keep track of. And sometimes if I'm wanting to make an improvisation and have a brighter sound, I might substitute my B note for a C, and that gives me that allows me to play chords like my minor 1 to my major 4. Or I can just leave the B in there. So to illustrate this example further, I'll show you this same technique in another key that has a lot of flats, B flat minor. So here's B flat minor. Notice how in B flat minor, I'm still playing a whole heck of a lot of the black notes, to the point where my black notes become sort of my home feeling notes when I'm playing in this key. And then the two notes that aren't black notes, those become the exceptional ones that I got to look out for. So in this case, I have C and I have F as my two sort of notes to keep in mind. And again, just like with E flat, if I want to brighten the sound, I can make my minor 4 sound, which naturally falls within that key, into a major 4 just by taking this G flat note and making it a G natural. Okay, so now I have that. Okay, so that's an easy way to rethink about how you are playing those complicated keys. So try out this technique on both E flat and B flat, and then check out some of the other weirder keys on the piano and see if you can use this new way of thinking about them to make them a little bit less intimidating. So I'm Jordan from Pianote. We have so much more on this channel. Be sure to check us out and subscribe. We'll see you next time.